If you want your iPhone to automatically fill in OTPs or one-time verification codes that you receive through text messages or email, I'll show you how to enable this feature and how to automatically delete those codes after you've used them. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General, scroll down, and select Autofill and Passwords. At the top, you'll see that Autofill is enabled. You can also choose which password manager you want to use, such as the Apple Passwords app, Google Chrome, Google, or another supported password manager. Now scroll down until you find the section for verification codes. You'll see an option that says Automatically Delete Verification Codes. This allows your iPhone to automatically remove verification codes from messages and mail after they've been used. Simply turn this option on. From now on, whenever you receive a verification code by text or email, your iPhone can automatically enter the code for you. Once it has been used, the message containing the code can also be deleted automatically, so you don't have to clean them up manually. And that's it. I hope this quick tip helps. Thanks for spending a little bit of your time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.